I guess to me, mystery there's nothing. Today, I'm gonna solve a Rubik's Cube. So, that Rubik's Cube is it's a square one. Okay, how to solve square one? Okay, so square one is symbolizes a fraction of a maths fraction which uses layer or have 8, 4 out of 8, 2 out of 8, whatever. It symbolizes whatever it symbolizes max. The guys who gonna do a tutorial how to solve it. Let's start. So what do we do is solve it with algorithms and stuff. Let's start. So I'm gonna scan the cube. I'm gonna tell you steps. So the cube now is fully scrambled. Let's start a solution. So the first thing you wanna do is solve it back to the cube shape. So the least thing you do is a falcon or another lemon and a star, or we call it snowflake. And as you can see, yeah, it's solved. Star solved. Now we have to do a scallop, barrel, kite, and cube. That easy. Let's go to the next step. Next step is the bottom layer. So bottom layer needs to be over here. So as you can see, it's messed up. So we need to put the corners first. So those corners are always in the right position. So this one and this one are in the wrong. So you take out the face, replace it with, and then bring it backwards. Now if you want the bottom edges, I give you a 2. And this can be a little tricky because we have already the edges to do the zip 8 sperm. So we target a place over here and do some algorithm to place this piece here to make the chicken feet shape, and then to bring it back have to replace it to this one to bring back the edge we want to solve. So here's one of them. D1, R2, U1I, U1 inverse, R2, U, R2, U1, R2, D1 inverse, R2, U1, R2. Inverse, U1 inverse, U1 inverse, and so U inverse, R2, U1, R2, D1, and then D1 inverse, and now a U up inverse. So now because it's from the down layer, a zipper, we need to do the checkerboard pattern diagram. So we do the diagram for the checkerboard. Then we turn the up face twice. And then down. As you can see, so the first layer is solved. Now the last layer case. So guys, in the last layer, we have only those corner pieces and it'll be swap. As you can see, we have an A-perm. So the A-perm can't be solved in a square one normally. So as you can see, we need to get that. So as you can see, we need to make an insert the J-perm algorithm to orient this flock over here this flock over here. As you can see, you can make one headlight block over here, but it's unfortunately not destroy a block. This green block progress is already solved. So, and then we're gonna do the case which solves everything back to normal. So it's going 3, 2, 1. R2, right twice, up, right twice, up inverse, up, right twice, up inverse, down, right twice, up, inverse, right twice, up, right twice, up, down inverse. Since you can see what I told you, we got a headlight bar, headlight block. So you can see disturb the progress is solved. And left us the U-perm. So U-perm is like a J-perm. So we need to find the right angle. So, in this angle, we can swap those two pieces. We can go there. So, now we find the right angle. So we do a taper them for this flock. Will go there at this point. This flock can go over here. So this piece can be solved. Those two can be solved equally. So you do U1, R2, U. So U1, right twice, U1, right twice, U1 inverse, right twice, U1 inverse down, right twice, U1 inverse right twice, U1 right twice, U1 inverse and down inverse. So as I told you, left was with J-perm. So you do the same J-perm maneuver, rightwise up, inverse, rightwise, up, inverse, down, rightwise, up, inverse, rightwise, up, rightwise, up, and down, inverse. So as you can see, Cubeshape, with one pair case, you do the following. As I told in the square 2, have 12 seasons, you do the same thing, and then you do as I did, right after solving the entire cube with the flap shapes. So, now it's solved. Now it's good to the next. So, third, you'll inform you the but not this cannot be solved in video, because the solution needs to be done without the video. So video not us. So anyway, bye bye guys, and I'll see you next time.